What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, another day is in the books. We got a jam-packed video ahead of us, so keep it locked. To kick it off, guys, I want to say major salute. This one is going out to John Covington. He titled this "See Profit, Take Profit." Check this out, guys. He said, "Chris, I did great on today with Tesla. Made $1,500 in Webull and another $1,200 in Robinhood." He said, "Thanks. I still got in too early. Made it out with profit. Thanks, coach. My brother played for the Bills, played in '97, played for North Carolina State Wolfpack. Rock a hat for me. His name is Damian Covington." Damian, we sending some love your way, family, if you happen to see this. But I want to say major salute to your brother John for a job well done. Listen, guys, this made me extremely proud. His execution, he said, was a little off, but even in that, he was in the right play, he was in the right setup, and more importantly, he was able to see profit, take profit, and knock it out the park, guys, okay? And then check this one out, guys. This is from the family member Carl. He said, "Down but not out. Did this from the hospital while getting treatment. Get in and get out." This is 2 days in a row, and this is what I mean, guys. When you learn how to properly trade, not gamble, not any other stuff that you guys hear other places, okay? When you do this right, this is 2 days in a row, 2 home runs in a row. Yesterday 93%, today 165%. I am loving this, but more importantly, I'm loving your progress today. And then check it out, guys. I had a phenomenal day as well in the market. This was my Apple play. I was waiting patiently for certain levels, and that 135 level was a level I was looking to short, okay? I saw earlier in the day. Okay, it ended up breaking later on in the day, but earlier in the day, it hit that level and kept rejecting. And so I tried to get in around 135 and rolled this down to 134. And again, within 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes max, we were in and out. One play a day, one trade a day. Give it a try, guys. I'm telling you, it helps you be disciplined. It helps you stay consistent, and it keeps you from over trading, okay? With that being said, guys, I want to take a look at a few stocks on today, kicking it off with the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. This represents the S&P 500, sitting right around that 389, 390 level we discussed today in the Discord. Listen, guys, it got knocked down from the 400 level. That was a level of rejection that I'm going to show you guys in the charts momentarily, okay? But more importantly, I talked about in yesterday's video for what you guys need to look out for today, and I'll give guidance for tomorrow so you guys can make some money to close out the week, okay? But look at this. I wanted to see this recapture 390 this morning, okay? And we were able to do that, but guess what? We weren't able to push higher, okay? So 388 served as a level of support, and 390 served as a level of resistance. Please write these things down in your notes. And listen, if you rock with me, we should be taking notes, we should be journaling, so you guys can begin to write this stuff down and it become like muscle memory, okay? Some of the lows of the day was at 387 level, so it overshot a tad bit. We remember my support levels right now, short term, 388 and 386. Okay, I'm looking for both of them to hold as support. But check this out, guys. At support, that's when you can go long. Going long would mean right here at this level of support. Going long would be you can buy a call here. You going long, that's a call. And then you were able to go from 387 all the way up to 390, which was the levels we called out to a T today in the Discord. Matter of fact, if you're not in the Discord, please consider joining us. Link for that is in the description below, okay? But with that being said, guys, the SPY was pretty much range bound, all right? And so it's going to probably be like that for the next few days. So know the range, play it level to level. Tomorrow is Friday, which is OpX or option expirations date. So some weird things is going to happen during the last hour of the trading day. Please know that. Get in the Discord, because I'll probably send out some alerts on what to look out for, which direction the play may go, and how you guys can make some money, okay? With that being said, check this out. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. We talked about this one going to 128 today and looking for 125 to be support. Let's see how we did. It came all the way down to 124. and it went as high as 130 on today. We can't be mad at that, guys. Know your ranges and you can change your life, okay? Again, this play hit our level of 123, popped above that, went as high as 130 something, and now it's back down in this range. So listen, support for this will be around that level of 125, okay, and then 123. Support is your levels to the downside, okay, and so you want to see the stock hold at those levels. If we lose 125, then your next level of support is 123. That's to the downside. That's if they try to push the market down tomorrow or gap it down. I want you to look for those levels to see if they hold, okay? And I'm expecting them to hold unless some egregious news come out and it changes the trajectory, okay? So please know that. And then to the upside, guys, 128, 130 would be the range we're looking for. But listen, it's going to come down. You guys, that's what you want to do. Wait for it to come down. Get your entry at one of those support levels, 125, 123, and ride it up to 128. If you see it at 128, 130, you have to assume it may stall out if you don't see volume step in, buyer step in, and then you can short at that level or buy a put to ride it down to the levels of 125 or 123, okay? Be nimble, be flexible, guys. And then, guys, listen to this. Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. This one is sitting at 135.39 at the time of this recording in after hours. Okay, this one came from the dead on today. In pre-market, it was way down here at 133. Okay, they flirted with that level right here. It came down to 133.90, 133.80-ish, but then quickly popped back up again, going to that 135 level. This was the play I played right here, guys. I got in at around 11:11. So this says 11:15, but I rolled this play down from here to right here, 134.35. Okay, it was a quick move in real time, okay, in and out. And this is what's possible, guys, when you're being patient and you're being surgical, okay? Get in, get out, don't overstay your welcome. See profit, take profit, okay? One shot, one kill. One trade a day will change your life, guys. Please remember that. Please give that a try. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and bust out the charts. We're looking at the 1 week chart here. This is more just to show you the trend we're in. Look at this on a deeper time frame. This purple line that's going down, guys, it is showing you that we're still in a downtrend and we have yet to break it. So to the upside, guys, once we can get through 400, we may be actually breaking the downtrend, the bear market, okay? However, we need to first do that. Right now, we've been unsuccessful. As you can see, the red candle means we got rejected when we got back to that purple line, okay? And so, guys, we're still in a down market for the time being, so be mindful of that on your journey, okay? So that's why I say I'm leaning more towards plays to the downside more than the upside, because the overall market is still heading down. So that means overall your individual stocks will be also headed down, or even if they go up, it's really a pump fake only to come back down, okay? So please be mindful of that on your journey, okay? This is the SPY 1 week chart for the macro 50,000 foot view, okay? But listen, don't rule out the fact that we can't break through, because we may still get through and we may be able to make some moves higher, but the likelihood of that remains to be seen. The likelihood of us going down is much higher with all the catalysts that's still at play. Inflation, interest rates, the whole nine. And then, guys, I have pulled up here the 1 day chart, so you guys can take a look at on a little bit of a shorter time frame. What are we looking like? What are we seeing? And as you guys can see, the 200-day moving average, which is the black line, as you see, we got rejected off that. And that was sitting around 398. This is why we talked about 398 is resistance, 399 and 400. Wall Street, the bears, everybody will defend that level to not let the stock market get above that level. So that's why it's key when we get up there, we got to come correct. We got to have our energy. We got to have momentum. We got to have volume, and we got to have buying pressure. Okay. We have ran to that level, made a test, and for a year now, we've been getting rejected off of that level, okay? And we got rejected again. Now we're sitting down here from 400 all the way down to 389, okay? So with that being said, guys, we are in that range where 390 is now acting as resistance and 388 is acting as support. So we're in a little tight range until we break out. with that being said, guys, listen, man, we got a great chance to do some great things, but it's going to require some patience. It's going to require some learning. It's going to require you guys putting in the work, okay? With that being said, we're here to help you out. We're here to walk alongside you, hold your hand if we need to. So don't hesitate to reach out for support, whether that's one-on-one coaching, whether that's you investing in yourself, or whether you're joining the Discord so you can learn and earn. Okay, and make sure you got the understanding you need. With that being said, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.